Alright, so this is the '08 Sonata. I'm doing the license plate light bulb. Alright, first show you that's the bulb. Okay, it's 168. Okay, got those from Walmart. Okay, so this is the way it goes, like this. Okay, the bulb just slides in. Like that. And let's see, it's clockwise to tighten it, to get it on. Okay, and then you got these little clips here. When it's in there like that, you got to get a screwdriver. Okay, you get a screwdriver and just push on these clips when it's in there like that, but you got to be careful you don't scratch in your paint. So you can put some tape on the end of the screwdriver and you just slide it on there. Okay, and just carefully pry it out of there. Okay, so that's all it is, the license plate light. So alright, hey, thanks for watching and subscribing. Take care. Alright, bye now.